Hello everyone, this is Dinstar. Today we will experience the newly designed G series IP phone. Let's unbox the G500 and G430 together. The G430 and G500 feature nearly identical appearance and functions, so we will use the G500 for demonstration today. Multiple versions are available for each model. The device shown here is G500, which supports PoE power supply. PoE is optional across our entire G series IP phones. You can choose the model that best suits your accurate requirements. The outer package of this product adopts a brand new version design featuring a minimalist, modern, and professional style. First, let's open the box and check the contents. The IP phone main unit, handset cord, desktop stand, Ethernet cable, and quick installation guide. These are all the accessories included in the package. Now let's assemble the phone. First, connect the handset. Then install the desktop stand. Assembling is completed. Next, let's take a close look at this new product. First of all, it boasts a brand new appearance design. This body is slim and lightweight with a concise, sleek look that combines modern aesthetics and business texture with exquisite craftsmanship and simple styling. It fits a wide range of scenarios such as reception desks, meeting rooms, and general office desktops. The screen has been significantly upgraded. Our classic C-series IP phones are equipped with a maximum 4.3-inch color display, while the G500 features a 5-inch high-definition screen, so the screen is also adjustable at multiple angles, which effectively reduces glares and provides a more comfortable, eye-friendly viewing experience. This is the power indicator light, which turns red once the phone is powered on. Now let's go through the function keys on the device. Light keys, programmable keys, navigation keys, numeric keypad, conference key, radio key, call forward key, phone book key, volume up and down keys, master key, call hold key, headset key, mute key, and speaker key. This phone adopts a magnetic handset, different from mechanical click handset of traditional IP phones. It delivers smoother handset picking up and handing up operations with a better user experience. The built-in speaker is located underneath the handset. Now let's check ports on the back of the phone. Expansion model port, PC port for connecting your computer, LAN port for network connection, and PoE switch power supply. DC power port for non-PoE versions. The USB port can be connected to a USB dock to expand functions, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G, and 5G. The remaining two ports are the headset port and handset port respectively. That's all for the unboxing and introduction of the Dinstar G series IP phones G500 and G430. With a minimalist design, rich interface, and stable performance, they are ideal for various scenarios, including enterprise, office, hotel front desks, and factories. So choose Dinstar and enjoy efficient and convenient communications. We will see you soon.